if that voice is kicking off, I'm not good enough, I'll never be good enough, I'm a fraud, as though creativity is reserved only for the chosen few, and you're not one of them. And I get it, because it feels like, well, if I create my own art, I'm disappointed with it and I have to really fight for it. Therefore, if I copy someone else's, well, I really love their music. I really love what this person is doing. That is going to guarantee great results for me. It makes sense on the surface, but let me ask you this. Does it actually work? Or do you end up in the same place over and over again? Groundhog Day. And I think one of the really challenging things with this is that if you don't write something as good as the artist did, then you immediately, or I think the natural conclusion is to immediately think, well, I'm not talented enough because they did this and I'm trying to do it, therefore I'm not talented enough. Particularly if you're following a walkthrough tutorial and then you try and make something on your own and it flops. And of course it will. Because the deal with those tutorials is you're not learning the underlying principles and workflow of the creative process. Just the surface level stuff, often a lot of the technical things. And so when you try and employ that on your own piece of music that has different sounds and different patterns and therefore requires a different arrangement and different processing, all of those different things, it doesn't work because you're using the exact structure and the exact techniques that would work on a different piece of music.